All right, last two practice problems. Let's see how you did. If you like to, go ahead and separate and circle. I'm trying to get that circle by itself, right? First, I need to distribute. This is a negative 1/6. First times x, I just push them together. Negative 1/6 x. And then negative 1/6 times 6. So this is a negative times a positive. That'll be negative. 1/6 times 6 is 1. We're seeing this pattern a lot, right? 1/3 times 3 is 1. 1/9 times 9 is 1. 1/8 times 8 is 1. So the 6's canceled out to get just a 1. Bring down the y plus 4. Now I still need the y by itself, so that 4 has got to go. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract. Make sure you put it underneath the constant, not the variable. So I have y equals, I'm going to bring down this negative 1/6 x. Negative and negative means add them together. 4 plus 1 is 5, and their sign stays the same. Y equals negative 1/6 x minus 5 is the final answer. We solved for y. Last problem, same thing. I want this y by itself. I'm going to separate. So this time, it's not 1/3, it's 2/3, okay? That's important. So I have 2/3 x. So this isn't going to be 3. I mean, this isn't going to be 1 because it's not 1/3. It's going to be 2. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, the 3's are still canceling out. And what are you left with? 2 over 1. And it is a positive 2. Bring down the y minus 1. The minus 1 has got to go. I'm going to do the opposite and add. I need to add it to the constant, so it goes with the 2, not the 2/3. These are gone. Y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Final answer, and it is time for the exit ticket.